Yeah.
Okay, welcome everyone. Thank you for coming to the second event of the Emmanuel Wallerstein Speaker Series. This is an initiative by our first and second year cohorts of Sociology Department at Binghamton University. The intention behind this series is to restore and advance the legacy of the Binghamton Sociology Department in doing what it does best, which is world historical research, historical materialism, and world systems analysis. We hope to build scholarly relations with graduate students from other departments, which is the tradition of Binghamton Sociology Department and has in recent decades declined. Today we have 3 doctoral students from sociology that will give talks on the world historical approaches to the empire, from the 20th century agribusiness led by the US empire to Portuguese expansion into the New World and the emergence of the capitalist world system, to the early modern industrialization of agriculture that fed the armies during the war between European empires, led by British and French Empire, which is known as the 7 Years' War. We also want to address the most recent effects and consequences of imperialism, the devastation in Syria, with the earthquake effects that were exacerbated by the US blockade since 1979, and the most recent US militarized violence, which is the invasion of Haiti, and just last year's success of the US to finally provoke Russia into an armed conflict. Even though you wouldn't be able to tell, due to a complete absence of anti-imperialist politics on campuses, and this campus is no exception, the politics of anti-imperialism is on the rise. And this month marks 175 years of the publication of the Communist Manifesto, and in relation to that, I would just say the ruling classes are trembling again. So, welcome and thank you, and enjoy our speech.